Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I want to take a buy right now. And the reason behind this is we are in a ranging market. See that? Every single candle has shadows from ups and downs. See, you won't find a candle with no shadows. So we know that in this kind of markets, we can trust common point of rejections. It means that if you have a bunch of rejections like this, you find a common line between all of that. For example, we do not draw it like this, we do not draw it like this, we do not draw it like this. We want the most rejections in this line. And then we take the 4th or 5th or 7th or 6th touch on these rejections, okay? This trade also have the confirmation of gap down. If you look at this area, the candle closed here, next candle start with a jump to the downside. So that's another confirmation for us, for buyers to enter. Okay. All right. So let me just do some markouts for you. The trend is also with us. So that was a good trade. That's why I took a double trade. All right. So if you look at here, we have a demand area. Okay. And this demand area have been broken very strongly. So when we have something like this, demand area breaking, demand or supply area being broken pretty strongly, it turns to a supply area. So now this is a supply area, and next time price will react from this supply, which did in this case. Same as this one. We have this supply area previously rejected, and after strong breakout, it turned to a demand area now. Now price will get supported from here. But we have this demand also here, which hasn't been broken and respected perfectly. All right, see? So market keeps moving between supply and demand. Just like this one, which has been respected. See that? This is another demand, which is respected. What is this? Okay, so this is another one. I will mark everything for you. Boom. Another supply area, which is not respected, strongly broken, and then turns to a demand area. Okay. So now, market is moving toward the, this supply up here. Okay. Market is trying to go and touch the supply. So I would say the market is bullish. That's why I'm not going to take any sells right now. Also, we can see a double top here, which can be a reversal pattern for us. So here, there's no opportunity. So we're just going to put this right here. So we will keep watching this pair, and we will check the other pairs. Okay, so one of the ways to practice and get better every day is marking supply and demand and observing the market's reactions to these areas like that. Like this one, you can draw this one and see how market will react from it. I really want to go with the buyers here, but I don't know. Okay, I want to go with the buyers right now. Again, this is another common point of rejection. Look at this. Another common point of rejection. See that? Just like our previous, trade, which was this one. And it was based on common point of rejection. This one also is the common point of rejection. And if you look, it has also market sequence. Market sequence. Most of the time, we only get double red candles. So this one also can behave same. So we count on it and take the trade, especially we are closing on a support area. So that can make this even stronger. That's why we take this trade. But like I said, this is a double bottom, so it can keep drop. And that's why I do not go more than one trade. All right, we lost that one. That's fine. We just need to wait and see what market does. If it starts a very strong trend, it will keep going until this supply area. It also can drop until this demand area down here. Okay, let me just mark this demand. This is another demand down here. So we're gonna buy down here and we're gonna sell up here. Okay, all right. This is the supply that we marked. Now it's getting reacted from the supply. But still, I don't see any setup yet. So I'm just going to move on to the next pair. This is a very nice exhaustion candle. Okay, look at this one. There was pretty good opportunities in this pair. See, so many common point of rejections. Look at this. This is the best common point of rejection line you could draw on this one. Also this one. Also this one. There was a lot of opportunities. We took 2 of them. Yeah, I'm just waiting for this market to decide what's gonna do, and then I will take a trade. Sometimes we have some good potential trades on a particular chart, and then other charts doesn't show anything, any like setup, and we forced to wait for it to happen so we can take the trade. This one also pretty cool. This is reacting from the supply. Next supply area can react is this one, because this is a failed demand area. I'm sorry, failed supply area, which is a demand now. Can react from here. Okay, let me just take this buy. It comes down to this round number. I will try to take a buy. Okay, let's take it one here. I want it to come down on this round number, and then I can enter once again. This is, okay, let's go 2 more. Let's get it. This is trying to create a QM area on the supply and then keep dropping. So I'm expecting a green candle here based on how market moves. At least 2 of these should be winners. These 2 entries are pretty good. I was planning to take my entry on this round number, but unfortunately it didn't give me the entry. And yeah, I do not usually put so many trades on that one. And this is particularly because we already hit the 50K and I'm willing to risk a little bit. All right, so yeah, it created this QM. It's trying to go for the QM. This is a QM. If you go to lower time frame, you'll see it. Yeah. High, low, high, high, low, low, and then it will react from this area. Okay, we come up and then boom, we try to come down, and also we have previously a QM area which reacted a little bit and then broken. So this area is a decision point for this previous failed QM, and this is a fresh QM. And yeah, I'm assuming it's gonna happen like this. It's gonna come down and then again up. This is my prediction. Why are these stick here? All right. If you want to join the largest trading competition for free and compete for $10,000 prize for the winner, join the Telegram channel and stay tuned. Details will be posted soon. All right, this QM, if you remember this, let's see if it worked. Let's go to lower time frame. Let's find the fresh supply area and see if we could. Yeah, look at this. Just mark the supply. This is the supply area that we probably would enter. This is the only fresh supply area to enter, and it reacted. And if we were taking this trade, we would win this trade on this candle. Okay? So this is how QM works. If you want to know more about QM setup, watch this video. It's going to pop up at the end of the video as well. And yeah, it's full detail of QM setup. Look at this. Now we have reactions from this one, this supply up here. Okay, so market moves between supply and demand all the time. Again, let me just mark it. We know that failed supply becomes demand, failed demand becomes supply. Supply, failed becomes demand, and QM worked. Next supply up here, it reacted, and now what we have here, there's no demand area down here at the middle. We have a demand area down here, so price can keep dropping until down here. It will have another reaction from here, but it will be able to reach down here. So if you break this, no, I don't want to take it because it's against the direction. You know what? Oh my god, I missed the entry. Let me just take this one, and then I will tell you why wouldn't I take this. Okay, I get the better entry down here. I took this because this is a, this is an overlapping level and it's broken now, so it can give us a green candle. But normally we shouldn't take this because market is moving toward the next demand area down here. So the direction is bearish, okay? And this trade is against the direction. I wish I could take only one trade on this one. I took these two additional trades because my first entry was bad as always. Okay. I don't know why these stick to this screen, man. Alright, two of them winning. And yeah, I think that's enough for today. It was pretty quick session. I was pretty reckless, I wouldn't lie, because I already hit my take profit. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Do not miss the biggest competition for binary option. Join the Telegram channel and stay tuned.